Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be doing a video, and sorry about this, but I'm not really going to edit this video because I'm doing it on the actual YouTube with my iPhone, so it's going to be a little bit different. So I made this slime earlier. It's a clear sort of slime with balls in it, and it's kind of overactivated because my cousin put a little too much activator in there. And then this is my cousin's. Can I see your slime real quick? So this used to be mine. It looked like mine, and there was like slime nothing. Like there was
They're a
nothing.
stalker to me. They always like all my videos.
And this one's really satisfying. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys that I was gonna be doing slime videos. We're gonna be pretty much doing random things. I don't really know. So, yep. So I don't have much styrofoam balls in here because it doesn't make it as stretchy because, you know. So. So like. Okay, so I'm actually gonna go in the kitchen here, like put a little hot water in this because it's like, I don't know how to put it. So I'm gonna put it in there, and then we're gonna fill up. She told me that she loved me, but what it felt. Oof. Okay, so I'm gonna grab this water bottle. Okay, got the hot water. Pant leg won't go down. Ass is up. Sorry about my dirty language. Okay, so I got my teensy little slime here. Okay. I wonder if I can do this. Okay. It's good. Okay. It's all good. It's Gucci. Okay, so I'm gonna pour a little bit of hot water in there. Oh, jeez. That's obviously somebody saying it. I wonder if it's like, oh my gosh, it's like watching the styrofoam balls out. Oh. I remember when the floss was a thing. Like, on TikTok and crap. You just jealous. Jealous of just your little ass up. No, that means I have to. Ew. Can you use a spoon to do this? Like, I'm getting scared. This is my favorite shirt, literally. Okay, so we're gonna grab just a little bit of balls. Okay, so obviously, guys, this is the slime video. That's my favorite song. Mm. I don't get started balls all over me. Okay, that's enough. I think that's. Yeah. Okay, that should be good. So this video is taking so long, like, I do fun things and it takes a long time. So as you can see, that was nice.
Oh, my hair looks so bad.
I'd redo it because you kind of smiled in it. Okay, so I think I got enough styrofoam balls in there to make it sound satisfying. Okay. Okay, comments down below if you think that this sounds satisfying. And if it doesn't sound satisfying, leave a like so I know. And I can redo this video. Take all the styrofoam balls out of it. Okay, what I do sometimes to get styrofoam balls out of this, I just rub it.
No more.
Shut up.
Mine.
Yeah, this stuff is obviously his.
You're making a mess.
I'm vacuuming it up, don't worry. I'm dying. Okay, that should be enough styrofoam.
You're not posting that without me saying it.
I'll put her YouTube name down in the description box below. If this gets 10 likes, then I'm gonna jump in a lake and be like, I haven't gotten more than 4 likes on a video. Okay, let's see how satisfying this slime is. Not pokeable. That's not my favorite. Okay. Let's into it. Yes, it's not pokeable, but it's a good stress reliever. I like it, actually. If it wasn't so styrofoamy, I like it even more, but... Okay, my next video will be Fortnite. So, boom. I'm not gonna make fun of my cousin. She tries her best. And her tries best are good. So.
What's that supposed to mean?
Her tries her best are good. You don't get what I mean, do you?
So you're saying they're bad?
No, you're trying your best, and the best that you're doing is good. Okay, this is a lot better. Obviously, the freaking styrofoam balls are gonna rip out because this is from a pillow. I'm gonna put my TikTok in the description box below, and her TikTok, and her YouTube channel. Ew, ew, ew. Ew, 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 ew.
Come on, freaking agenda's falling out of here. Is this gone?
That was cute. Okay, so I'm just like, oh my god, this is like perfect. Let's pick up the rest of this styrofoam balls here. Okay, so I got the consistency and the styrofoam balls I want into it. So here's the finished product. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. My next video will be about Fortnite. Thanks, guys. Bye.